Hey, Ryan from Indiana Emergency Lighting. Late night here in the shop tonight. Just finished up this Ford F-150. Down in the fog lights we have white and blue cannons. We did some customer supplied damega flex 4s in the grill. Up on the roof we got a mini bar. It's all controlled from the inside. Well, in 4200, excuse me, a Feniex 4200 Mini. Turn on the rears for you. Go out back here. And on the back we've got cannons in the reverse lights and another set of damegas down on the bumper. So, this is something you need, something like it. Give us a call. Indiana Emergency Lighting, and always remember, when you need to be seen, see us.